time for you guys to present your dish.
Here it is, chef.
So can you explain to me about your dish?
Yes, chef. My dish consists of steamed rice, egg, vegetables and chicken curry.
So this dish looks very basic to me. So let me taste first. What did you put in your dish? Okay, contestant B,
This is it, chef.
why both dish looks similar? Do you lack of ideas?
No, chef. It was a coincidence.
Okay, by looking at the texture of the rice itself, it looks way more better than contestant A's rice. Okay, let me taste first. It's so good.
What? I thought it's the same rice. How can it be different? Let me try it. Indeed,
Right?
it tastes good. What's your secret?
Well, my secret is the Felix Jasmine rice. It's affordable, 100% organic and highly nutritious.
So what are you waiting for? Get yours now from us, RC Corporation, from
Shopee, Lazada,
or even our own website at www.rc.com.my.